the trailer washout place. I delivered a load, had some frozen meat, definitely leaked some blood, and made it really unsanitary. So it needs to be washed out before picking up the next load. And this is not a regular trailer washout because they're using some type of chemical to clean it out and kill the odor. That's a different type of trailer washout. So anytime you get loads like that, make sure you're cleaning your trailer out, getting it washed out at the very least. You don't have to do the older thing that I'm doing. But by the time they're done, they're gonna have this joint spick and span. And we can go on to the next one. This is definitely part of the cleaning your truck and your trailer, or even if you have a box truck, it's definitely part of your maintenance budget. It's something you want to include because it's part of the game. And even in the winter time, when you have the snow, the salt, you want to clean your truck on the outside and as well as underneath the hood. That salt will take a toll on your equipment. Very important. You can see all the dirt coming out, leaking out. The man is doing his thing, and they definitely will be taken care of. Make sure you tip people when you're using any service. People, when you eat out, always tip them. All right, we'll see you on the next one.